In addition to endometriosis, so the next condition I want to talk about is PCOS. Now, PCOS it affects between 5 and 10% of women globally, and it has a different kind of symptomatology. It's characterized by irregular periods, ovarian cysts, infertility is often associated with this as well, and high levels of androgens, so male hormones. They're associated with acne, weight gain, and hair growth on the face, on the chest, sometimes the back. We often also see insulin resistance and obesity in these patients. It's all related, and it's not like you are obese, so you've caused PCOS. The PCOS and the insulin resistance is part of the disease process. The obesity and the insulin resistance, that's part of the PCOS. So getting control of your, insulin and your A1C numbers, getting a control of that metabolic syndrome that's part of this is a big part of treating this. But we've also seen this involvement of the endocannabinoid system in PCOS. So we know that anti-inflammatory, mood elevating, and analgesic or pain relieving properties of cannabis can really help manage the symptoms of PCOS. And cannabis use might be associated. There's a lot of research showing that it can help with improvements in insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. We need more research on this, but there is research being done. So again, a combination of different cannabinoids could be helpful with this. One, I want to shout out that I think that, they should be doing more research into this is THCV. It's another cannabinoid. It is associated, or it's been found to help with insulin resistance and glucose metabolism. So more research to be done. But if you have PCOS, cannabis might be a good adjunctive treatment for what you have going on as well.